Imagine the layers of dust, grime, and pollutants that accumulate on the surfaces of our homes and businesses over the years. Now, picture what it would be like to peel back these layers, revealing a property that looks as pristine and vibrant as the day it was first constructed. This isn't just wishful thinking, it's the powerful transformation offered by Jabez Power Washing in GA. A driveway blackened by tire marks and years of neglect, siding covered in a dreary film of algae, or a deck dimmed by seasons of weather. These are common sights that might seem too worn to restore. Yet Jabez Power Washing has repeatedly turned what seemed irreversible into showcases of cleanliness and care. Using state-of-the-art equipment and a team trained to tackle every challenge, they approach each project with a tailor-made solution. The visual impact of their work is striking. Initially coated with years of urban pollutants and organic growth, the before and after pictures of this home are nothing short of miraculous. The after photo doesn't just show a clean home. It shows a vibrant structure that looks freshly painted, testament to the meticulous process Jabez employs. The secret to Jabez's success isn't just the equipment, but the people behind the machines. The technicians undergo rigorous training not only in the use of the machines, but in understanding the types of dirt and the best chemicals to use, ensuring they choose the right strategies for each unique challenge. They work diligently to increase a property's curb appeal and longevity, making substantial improvements not only to the surface aesthetics but also to the underlying quality. Customer satisfaction lies at the heart of Jabez Power Washing. Feedback from clients highlights the company's punctuality, professionalism, and the dramatic difference in their property's post-service. Mrs. Eleanor Rigby, a client from Athens, shared, "The transformation is unbelievable. It's like I've moved into a brand new home without having to pack a single box. Jabez not only revitalized my home's exterior, but they treated my property with such care, it was as if they were cleaning their own house." Further emphasizing their market distinction, Jabez Power Washing takes environmental and safety issues seriously. They utilize biodegradable and environmentally friendly cleaning solutions that effectively cleanse without harming the surrounding landscape or local waterways. This responsible approach enhances their appeal, especially among environmentally conscious customers. Moreover, their commitment to safety transcends their cleaning solutions. Jabez Power Washing ensures that all their operations are performed under strict safety protocols. The technicians wear protective gear and are trained in preventing any accidental damage to the properties and its inhabitants. This dual focus on environmental sustainability and safety not only underlines their professionalism but also their respect for the community and environment they serve. Jabez Power Washing is more than just a service provider. It's a transformative force for properties across Georgia. By enhancing visual appeal, extending property life, and focusing deeply on customer satisfaction and ecological responsibility, Jabez beautifies and protects our community's environments. Whether you're a homeowner looking to refresh your residence or a business needing to revitalize your commercial space, the compelling services of Jabez Power Washing promise to deliver not just powerful cleaning but a powerful transformation. Ready to see the transformation Jabez Power Washing can bring to your property? Don't wait any longer. Call us now at 404-964-2243 to schedule your service or to get more information. Our friendly team is eager to assist and guide you through our processes, ensuring you're comfortable and informed every step of the way. Whether it's a simple home wash or a full-scale commercial cleaning, we're just a phone call away. Remember, a cleaner property is just the beginning of what we can do for you. Call 404-964-2243 today and let's make magic happen together.